Most businesses know their IT could be better managed, but it's hard to picture what that actually looks like day to day. In this video, we'll walk you through what proactive IT really means in practice.
No different than changing the oil in your car every 3 months and, in between rotating the tires, getting your brakes done, these things that you do with your car, with your home to maintain it, rather than waiting for something to break down, you get it serviced every so often. It's the same approach that we take with IT, right? And if we're doing it right and we have this alignment with the customer that you're billing at a flat rate, it's a single monthly price per device. And then with that or behind that, we have a whole run book of how we manage that device, including monitoring, patching, security, road mapping, and responding to incidents if they occur. But the frequency of incidents is far less and far less impactful when they do occur, because we're constantly maintaining and keeping this device up to date.
And it's not just about uptime. Proactive management also has a direct impact on your security profile.
That device and for the company as a whole, which of course is more proactive work because it reduces the risk of a security incident in the future.
You don't wait till you just call the ambulance. You go to the doctor on a regular basis. You get ahead of the issues. You proactively take care of yourself. And that's the thing with our business. If you only wait for us to come in emergencies, we're going to spend more time understanding your history, where you're at, how you got there. Then we actually try to fix the problem. If we're in there all the time, we know everything that's going on. We have a relationship. We're aware of your infrastructure. And we've been doing things proactively to mitigate risk, whether it be security, whether it be from fault tolerance, up, down, failures, things like that.
It should happen in the background, and it should be almost invisible to the users, and you really shouldn't know that anything's really being done to your IT or your systems. It's just done and working for you.
If you're curious what a proactive IT model would look like for your business, we'd be happy to walk you through it. No commitment required.